Hi guys, Olga is here from the Rock Demonstrations, and today I'm going to show you how this beautiful electric tea kettle works. Retro style with Smeg Dolce and Gabbana logo on the body. Kettle comes with polished chrome 360 swivel base. This is the sound it makes when the water is boiling. See, it's a very subtle sound. It's really not noisy at all. And here you see a water indication light to let you know how much water is in the unit, and a 1500-watt heating element to get your water to boil temperature as quickly as possible, and an auto shut off at 100 degrees, and when no water is detected, ensuring the unit does not overheat to create a fire hazard. And here you see a push button how to open the lid. See how it opens very smoothly. And here's removable stainless steel lime scale filter to keep your coffee or tea tasting great every time you use it. It also comes with 1 year manufacturer's warranty.